Ever wondered if you can truthfully say you've mastered both Tableau and Power BI if you only use them in the same project? Well, let's clear that up. The short answer is yes, absolutely you can. With a little clarification, the key is understanding how you use each tool. Think of a data project like a multi-course meal. Each tool often shines in specific phases. Maybe you prepped your data in Power BI, using Power Query to clean and transform it. Then you could have modeled your data in Power BI too if you desired. Next, you might have built your dashboards using Tableau for its advanced visualization capabilities. Perhaps you published your final report on Power BI if your intended audience uses that platform. By using them in these distinct yet equally important stages, you are definitely competent in using both. You're demonstrating versatility in data analysis by selecting the best tool for the specific job. It is more about the method you have adopted, rather than just using each tool just for the sake of it. So, claiming proficiency in both Tableau and Power BI within a single project is perfectly acceptable. Just explain how you utilized each tool, showcasing your smart approach to data-driven storytelling. This also shows your adaptability. You have mastered your data analysis skills, not just a tool. #data skills #tool proficiency.